The human brain is a remarkable organ, central to everything we do, think, and feel. Despite centuries of study, it still holds many mysteries. From its complex structure to its extraordinary abilities, the brain continues to fascinate scientists and laypeople alike. Here are 10 fascinating trivia facts about the human brain that highlight its incredible complexity and unique features. 1. The brain weighs about 3 pounds. On average, the human brain weighs around 3 pounds, 1.4 kilograms, which is roughly 2% of the body's total weight. Despite its relatively small size, the brain uses about 20% of the body's energy, showing just how active and powerful it is. 2. There are around 86 billion neurons. The human brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons, nerve cells. These neurons form an intricate network that communicates through electrical impulses and chemical signals, allowing us to process information, form memories, and execute complex tasks. 3. The brain can process information at amazing speeds. The brain processes information at a speed of up to 268 miles per hour, 432 kilometers per hour. This allows us to react quickly to stimuli, perform tasks efficiently, and carry out complex thought processes in an instant. 4. The brain is extremely energy hungry. Despite making up only 2% of the body's weight, the brain consumes around 20% of the body's energy. It requires a constant supply of oxygen and glucose to function properly, explaining why mental fatigue can be just as draining as physical exertion. 5. The brain's storage capacity is insane. While it's difficult to measure the exact storage capacity of the human brain, it's estimated to be equivalent to around 2.5 petabytes, or 1 million gigabytes. This capacity is far greater than any computer system we've developed, allowing us to store an immense amount of information over a lifetime. 6. The brain can rewire itself. The brain has an incredible ability to adapt and reorganize itself in response to injury, learning, or changes in the environment. This phenomenon, known as neuroplasticity, allows the brain to form new connections and even create new neurons throughout life, helping people recover from brain injuries and learn new skills. 7. Most of our brain is water. About 75% of the human brain is made up of water. This makes hydration especially important for optimal brain function, as dehydration can impair cognitive abilities, focus, and memory. 8. The brain doesn't feel pain. Although the brain processes pain signals, it itself cannot feel pain. This is because the brain lacks pain receptors. This is one reason why surgeons can perform brain surgery while the patient is awake, using local anesthesia to numb the scalp and skull, but not the brain. 9. The brain continues to develop until you're 25. Although much of the brain is fully developed by adolescence, the brain's prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision-making, planning, and impulse control, continues to mature until around the age of 25. This is why teenagers and young adults may sometimes make decisions that seem impulsive or less thought out. 10. The brain can store a lifetime of memories. The brain's hippocampus is involved in the storage and retrieval of memories, and it can store a virtually limitless number of memories over a lifetime. Memories are not stored in a single location but are instead spread throughout the brain, with different regions of the brain responsible for different types of memories. The human brain is one of the most fascinating and complex organs in the body, capable of performing tasks that no machine can replicate. From its enormous storage capacity to its ability to rewire itself, the brain's abilities continue to astonish scientists. While we've learned a great deal, there is still much to discover about the inner workings of this incredible organ. Understanding the brain not only helps us understand our biology but also improves the ways we can enhance brain health and cognitive function.